If you're watching this video, you probably want to make some of these viral would you rather videos that absolutely explode on TikTok and on YouTube Shorts and even on Instagram Reels that are making people a ton of money with the TikTok creator program. And I'm going to show you how you don't have to waste tons of your time spending time coming up with questions and using platforms like Capcut or Canva to make these videos. I'm going to share with you an AI that you can use to make literally hundreds of these videos in just a few minutes. So if you look at this channel here, this channel has over 456,000 subscribers, and in total on their shorts, they have over 38 million views. And if you look at their latest post, it already has over 196,000 views, and their fifth last one has 905,000 views. So these are still going absolutely crazy all over YouTube, all over TikTok. And again, you can leverage this AI tool to make hundreds of these in minutes, saving you a whole bunch of time and allowing you to make a whole bunch of money. So I will leave a discount link in the description down below to this website. It's vsub.io. If you use the coupon code BONUS, you will get 10% off. So as you can see, it makes Reddit story videos, fake text videos, quiz multi-levels, again, fake texts, standard quizzes, also would you rathers, and AI videos cinematic. So we're going to be making would you rathers. All you need to do when you go to this website is click on get started. You'll have to sign up for an account. I'm already logged in. So this is the dashboard once you've signed up. Now you are going to need to get a package with them to get some of these credits. But let me just walk you through how super simple it is to create these would you rather videos. And again, you can do fake text, split screens, story videos, Reddit stories, quizzes, and you can also do would you rather. So let me show you exactly how easy this is. So you're going to get this shorts template, the exact same one that this channel uses, and you don't have to come up with your own questions. If you want to go into settings and change the voice from 11 Labs, you can go ahead and change it. I always go with Adam. But all you need to do here is either import your questions that you got from ChatGPT, or you can add your own. Or what I like to do is just click on generate questions, and within just a few seconds, VSub is going to give us a whole bunch of questions for these would you rather videos so that we can go ahead and make these. And again, if you want to change the percentages, you can change them right here and there. And again, this will be for the A option. So this will be option A, and then option B would obviously be the remaining percentage. So you can go through, change any of the questions that you want, or you can just go ahead and use these by default. If you want new ones, you can just click on generate questions again, and it will get you brand new questions. And let me show you how powerful this tool is to make these would you rather videos by just going and clicking on continue. So watch how quick this is. You can create a maximum of 20 questions. So let me just delete a few here, and I'll go to continue. Now, once you click on continue, the video is literally going to be made in just a few seconds. It's going to get you unique images generated with AI so that there's no issues with you having duplicates to other people's videos. And again, it does the AI voice for you. It does the captions for you. It does literally everything for you. And as you can see in real time, it's making this video in no time at all. The main thing that takes a little bit of time is generating these AI images. But you've probably seen a bunch of different tutorials online, right? Spending time doing Capcut, spending your time doing them with Canva. That is free. However, VSub is so affordable, and it saves you so much time by generating the videos for you, coming up with the questions, that it actually makes no sense to me to use anything other than this. And again, look at all these different settings. You can change the layout, you can change the coloring, you can change the voice, you can speed the voice up if you want to. So I'll speed this up and you'll see the video length changes. You can change the voice volume and the pitch. And again, you can just preview it. And if you scroll down, you can change the timer color, you can change the images, you can change the options text, you can change the results text. You can literally change everything, including the sounds, and you can even go in and change the content right here and there. You can go in, you can change the questions, you can go ahead and change the images if you want to. But let me just go ahead and show you how this looks. So you can't hear that because of the way that I got my mic set up, but you can see that it has made an amazing would you rather video in literally a couple seconds. And if you wanted to make a new one, all you need to do is go back and generate another one. And if you want to download this and upload this to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels, all you do is click on download and it's ready to go. Again, you want to make another one, you just scroll down, generate more questions, and then boom, you can make another would you rather video again in literally just seconds. Now, again, you could do this for free, or you could go ahead and use this AI tool VSub, and that only took 100 credits out of my 5,000 to make that video. And you can just keep pumping out these videos over and over and over again. And again, they do Reddit story videos, fake text messages, quizzes, standard and multi-level, and also would you rathers. So if you want to save yourself a bunch of time and a bunch of hassle, I highly recommend going and using VSub. They are literally doing updates all of the time, making this software even better, making it way, way better. And if you want to buy monetized TikTok accounts, you can buy them right here and there so that you can start making money from TikTok's creator program, where they already have accounts that are pre-approved. If you want to use their code there, you can. And if you want to use my code to thank me for making this video, then you can go ahead and use my code that I will leave in the description down below. And again, I have a link for a discount to VSub so that you can save yourself 10% when you get started.